Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password of your Youper account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Youper application, and then if you are not logged into your account, you will be asked to log in. So make sure that you have logged out first by following our process in the logout video that we have already uploaded. Once your account has been logged out, you can simply open up the Youper app. And once it is fully loaded, you can simply tap on I already have an account to proceed with changing your password. Now simply tap on sign in with email and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now in order to change your password, just tap on I forgot my password, and now you will be asked to enter the email address that you used to create your account. Simply go ahead and type in your email address and then tap on the reset password button, and you will receive an email from Youper which contains a link to reset your password. Simply tap on the given link and then you will be allowed to set up a new password. After setting up your new password, you can go back to your login section and use your new password along with your email address to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Youper application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.